The Restore line targets the signs of aging to restore, refresh, and renew youthful-looking skin. Step 1 starts with the award-winning LumiSpa and Restore Treatment Cleanser that contains fructose, niacinamide, and inositol to help protect the skin's natural moisture barrier. Step 2 follows with Restore Toner, which uses a blend of 15 different amino acids, tea green 97 extract, and Premisin to help prep skin and promote a youthful-looking complexion. Step 3 is the powerful Restore Serum, formulated with bakuchiol, Jania rubens extract, and apple extract to help minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Step 4 in the morning finishes with the silky soft SPF-powered Restore AM Moisturizer with ingredients like hexapeptide 2, pea extract, and bamboo extract to improve skin brightness. Step 4 in the evening ends with the rich Restore PM Moisturizer that includes hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and ceramide 3 to help promote skin cell turnover for a glowing, vibrant complexion. Experience more youthful-looking, brighter skin with Nu Skin's Restore line.